Right here, right here. Take them. Take them. Did anyone see where that one fell? I have to say it was right here and fell. Somewhere in that marshy stuff, I bet. Right out front too. Little one. See him? Coming in. I think he landed on that edge. Dang it, I hope they don't do that. Woodies again. Good morning and welcome back to another 40 Runners. It is a windy Sunday morning. We got high winds out of the northwest right now. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. We hunted yesterday, pretty much in this same spot, and got 2 wood ducks. But other than that, it was kind of a slow day. When I was picking up decoys at about 10:45, all the ducks started piling back in. Oh, I think we got a duck right here. Duck just went into to the right of the decoys. Evan's way out in front of me. I don't know who I'm talking to, but we got the boys there hunting behind me here. We got 2 down, so I'm gonna go pick those up in the kayak, and then we're gonna find a different launch point closer to the decoy spread to get these ducks quick, because the wind is just pushing them clear across the lake. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hop in the kayak. I'm gonna get the 2 ducks that we just shot and get back in the blind. Dude, Gaddy, look at that. Gadwall, you guys. That's a good sign to the day. Beautiful Gadwall. Alright, we're gonna go across this thing and look for the other one quick. Alright, I had to go across the Galdum slough. But look at this beautiful green wing, you guys. Beauty. Right there. So we got a green wing and a Gadwall. And now I have to make my way back over there against the wind. We let him come down. He's coming down all the way. He's really low. What? Totally opposite of the wind. Well, maybe we could have hit him when he was right here, but
we should have, because that wind, they paused for a second.
Next time, if it looks like that, we will. But he looked like he wanted down hardcore. There's more, 5 more above us. Cupping. They're gonna come look, see the 5? They're cupping hardcore coming down. Hardcore coming down. Hardcore coming down. Ready? Hold on. Take them. Take them. Dude, we got all of them. Watch out this one. Like, this one's coming back in.
Hold on, we're gonna take this.
I can't see the far left one.
Hey, let's get this guy though. Ready?
I can see that far left one.
Hold on, you guys.
Let's get this one. He's coming.
He's coming right down the side here. I think we got 4 down.
Yeah, I think so as well.
Tell me you're recording.
Yeah.
I see 3 for sure. One went in the weeds, so read while you're doing that.
Just wait, you guys. They're coming in perfect. Hopefully they don't land too far out. They're just fighting the wind, dude. They're coming straight at us. Shoot, they landed too far out. Push me. I see 3 dead ones. Oh, you guys. Gaddies again. Holy buckets. Beautiful gaddy. Another beautiful gaddy. Oh my god, fatty gaddies. We got 4 gaddies down, you guys. Ugh. And they work beautiful. We got 1 in the weeds over here that was kind of wounded. We'll try to look for it here again. And then we got another one down over here we'll look for. Ugh. Check these fatties out, dude. Look at that. Big old fat gaddies, dude, from up north.
Dude, that is the size of these. You can't see them, but they're huge.
Nice 3 gaddies. Here, can I? Isn't that sick? Alright you guys, my GoPro battery's about to die, but we have 4 gaddies and 1 green wing. And then we have, like I was saying, we got 1 down in here somewhere, and then 1 back over here. And we'll give those guys a good look here in a little bit. But it's a duck day, you guys. Aren't those beautiful?
Wow.
Those are sick.
Fat, big heads on them. They're from up north for sure, migrators.
Some big too.
Yeah.
Really good stuff to feel that.
That's like one of my favorite ducks. They decoy so nice.
These are the
The 5.
5 pack,
There's
right?
only
Yep.
one teal there?
1 teal, the rest are gaddies.
Huh.
That means we've shot over 10 gaddies out there, I think, total this year.
Oh, got a hen.
Single out front. I don't know where he went though. Looked like he was gonna come this way. He was really low. Alright, so Jude found one of the ducks from earlier. Just a nice colored out drake, greenhead. Not fully colored out, but it's got 2 curls. We'll take it. So yeah, we're just missing the one, which I think is another Gadwall. We've had kind of like a 45-minute, almost an hour lull. And we saw 2 nice groups flying while he was out looking for this. So it's almost 9 o'clock. And I think our plan is to hunt out here till about noon. Hopefully we can get some more to do it in this high northwest wind. Really low. Be the one. Still hovering right above us. Like mallard or gaddy. There's 4 of them now. They're coming down away. And they landed out in the middle. Well, it's like 11:15 right now. We haven't seen a whole lot since we had like those 4 work the decoys like an hour or so ago. Probably longer than that. The boys are gonna go try jumping this little pond next to us that we've seen a few kind of dip down in. And probably gonna call it good, pack it up. Did a nice long hunt here. Yeah, we got 6 and we got 1 that we will look for here at the end. Let's just call it, huh? Take my gun, I'll put this back on. we're seeing see you later to the pond. The boys are starting to pack everything out. I can't complain about that hunt. It was another high wind day. Gusts were up above 40 mile an hour today from the northwest, and we got some ducks to do it. Those Gadwalls definitely made the day. Those 5 came in, we ended up getting 4. We didn't lose any ducks today, which is fantastic. Yeah, I'm not sure when I'm gonna be out here duck hunting again. This week I kind of switched gears into deer hunting. So be on the lookout for those videos, you guys. We have a couple trips planned to Wisconsin. Hopefully Jude will be joining me. But yeah, we're switching gears. We're gonna be getting into deer next. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget it's free to subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.